Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add entertainment and media industries leads to Google Sheets. So today our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook leads on our Facebook lead ads for my media and entertainment business, we want to add these lead details in my Google Sheets automatically. For that, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And suppose I'm running this media and entertainment business, and I have this Facebook page of my media and entertainment business. It is called Starflix Entertainment. And I'm also running an ad on my page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. So here, what I want to do is I want to add these lead details directly into my Google Sheet, and I want this to happen automatically so that it will save my time and energy. For this, I'm going to create an integration between my Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and it will take us to this page. And here these are all the tools that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. So I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I'm going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this blue button called Create Workflow. And this window will pop up. I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add entertainment and media industries lead to Google Sheets. So now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow in. So I want to save it in home and I'm going to click on create. So this will take me to the most important window of my workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which my workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in my workflow and action will just follow that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my trigger, and my trigger application here will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to click here. And now I have to give a trigger event. For that, I will open this tab and my trigger event will be new lead instant. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads and I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. I've successfully connected my account. Now we have these two details here, page and lead gen form. For this, we need to go back to my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page and the name of my page is Starflix Entertainment. And for the lead gen form, I'm going to open this Meta Business Suite. And here I'm going to click here on all tools. I will scroll down and I will click here on instant forms. In this, we can see we have this one form which is called Starflix Entertainment. So I'm going to open this. Next. So we have these details in this form: first name, last name, email, phone number. And this is how my form looks like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now my page is Starflix Entertainment and the lead gen form is Starflix Entertainment. So I have mapped my page and lead gen form. Now here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So after clicking on save and send test request button, we need to make a test sample. For that, let's just click here. So here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. For getting this webhook response, I am going to use Meta for Developer. So I will open that. And here I'm going to click on my apps. Now I'm going to click on tools. And I will scroll down and I will find this lead ads RTO debug tool. I'm going to open this. And here we have page and the form. So my page is Starflex Entertainment and the form is Starflex Entertainment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview this form and I'm going to fill a test details or dummy details in my form. So I'm going to click on preview form. So this is how my form looks like. Now I have to give a first name, last name, email and phone number. My first name will be new, last name will be lead, and my email will be newlead123@pabblytunes.com, and I will give a random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next and I will click on submit. So my form is submitted. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this response. So the first name is new, last name is lead, and the email is newlead123@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number is this. So what we need to do is we want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet. For that, I'm going to set up my action, and my action application here will be Google Sheet. So I'm going to search for that. I'm going to click here. And now I have to give an action event. So I will open this and add new row will be my action event. I'm going to connect my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. I will click on add new connection, sign in with Google. I'm going to click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Now here we have these details. So let's go back to my Google Sheet. So name of my Google Sheet is Facebook Leads. And we have 4 columns here: first name, last name, email, phone number, and we are using sheet 1. So I'm going to map all these details in my Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So my spreadsheet is Facebook Leads. We are using sheet 1. Now we have first name, last name, email, and phone number. And we are going to map this from the webhook response that we got in our trigger. So for that, we are going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which we can retrieve the data from the previous step and the new data will get replaced in the real time. For mapping, I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response and we are going to map first name first. So this is our first name. Similarly, we will map the last name, email, and the phone number. So we have mapped all the details here. First name, last name, email, and the phone number. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. Now to check whether we have added this response in our Google Sheet or not, let's go back to Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row in our Google Sheet. And the first name is new, last name is lead, and the email is newlead123@pabblytunes.com. And the phone number is this. So here we can see our workflow is working successfully and we have created this integration between Facebook Lead Ads and my Google Sheets. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now to check this again, let's go back to Meta for Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click here on delete lead and I'm going to preview this form again. So here we have these details: first name as test, last name as lead, and the email is testlead123@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number is this. So I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted. Now I will go directly to my Google Sheets. And here we can see we have added this new row which has first name as test, last name as lead, and email as testlead123@pabblytunes.com. And we have this phone number. So these are the details that we have just filled in our Facebook Lead Ad form, and we are adding these details automatically to our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application here was Facebook Lead Ads, and our trigger event here was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Google Sheets, and our action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created my workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I will also put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.